Hello Facebook and YouTube. Today on how Hugh builds a tiny camper. It's a teardrop inspired design on the Harbor Freight frame. I'm working on putting these cut down pieces of 2x3 to 3/16 on the wall. I had gone further up and I didn't like it, so I tore it out. Probably should have given you a film of that. It was pretty funny. So before I put the rest of it up, I have to put all of these little cross member pieces on. So those are also 2x2s, and I'm using little brackets. I'll drill them out and put some really long screws in them. Next time I go to Home Depot, I'll pick those up. So I need to cut some more of these down, and I need to cut some more of the shiplap type siding. And it's not really shiplap, but it's just siding, but it looks like shiplap, sort of. And so that's what I'm going to work on. Get my magnifying safety glasses. Having a hard time seeing this morning. Little brackets to them, and I can just put them in place and just have to drive a couple screws. Normally I'd do all of them that I needed to install to cut down on time, but I need to cut down some more 2x3s, and I only had this one here, so I cut it in half. And I'm just going to put these two, and then I'll do the next ones after I cut down some more. Okay. That's closer. try something and see if it works. I'm gonna try following this arc with a long bladed jigsaw to see if I can cut those inside pieces. If I can do that, then that's what I'll try. But I'll try it now where the worst that I do is just ruin one little piece of wood that I have to replace and try something different. So let's see how that goes. We'll have to see if it works. It cut it. We'll see if the frame covers the ugliness. Okay, well, it's worth a try. Okay, well, the jigsaw cutting didn't work out the way that I had planned. Plus, this frame is slightly smaller than, or the cutout for the inside beauty piece that attaches and makes everything squish together is slightly smaller than the outside piece. So what I'm doing is I'm laying out my whole piece across, then I'm marking it, I'm pulling it off and cutting it with a jigsaw. So I got that piece marked, got those marked. And then I'll pull it down, cut it with a jigsaw, put the two pieces back up, and then do the next one. So let's see how that looks. All the lines should be, but I want to get it a little bit closer to what it should actually look like. So let's go ahead and get that. That looks square. Oh, that. Okay, so that's going to be somewhere in there. Let's make this one even across the top a little bit more. These are all the, I got all these pieces in and got the inside part of the window. I'll need to get longer screws for that. I'll have to look into a little bit more about how that attaches, but it fits. And there's the paneling on one side. Oh, I have to trim those, so we'll come up on that. So on this side, I want to put in the wires that will go from the battery that'll be here to a little box I'll put over by the door so you can tell where I'm pointing, and a dome light and a porch light. So that'll come next. I'll call all that working on the passenger side, or I'll probably call it the entry side. But for now, other than a little trim, I'm going to put some little boards here for the underside pieces to attach to. And this side's just about done for now. Okay, out. Or maybe not out. I might do one more section on this when I put the 1-inch pieces. Okay, bye for now.